Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to shuffle poker chips. To begin with, we need 6 poker chips, which I find it the easiest way to pick it up. For those who have smaller hands, okay, as I got big hands, okay, of course, those with smaller hands, I also would really recommend you guys holding 6 chips to learn this trick. Okay, I think it's the easiest way to pick up this trick lah. And then disclaimer, I'm not a poker pro. Okay, I have not been playing for a very long time. In fact, just 2 days, and then my friend just gave me these sets of chips, and then so I decided to learn how to do the shuffle, as I felt that it was quite cool, and to kill time while waiting for your turn to to be playing. In fact, sometimes when you fold your hands, you got nothing to do, so you can just practice this by yourself, and then the sound is quite satisfying. Okay. And then to begin with, you guys must learn how to using 2 fingers to break the 6 chips in half, so meaning into 3 per side. Okay, and then the next thing is about finger positioning. So pinky, index finger, middle finger, index finger, and thumb at the back, 4 at the back. So I realized a lot of people say you have to lift the middle so that both will click together, that kind of thing. But I realized there is a simpler way. I just have to lift up one side, and then my fingers, okay, and then it will automatically go in already. I just have to lift up one side, and of course your poker chip must be to a certain, at least to have some certain weights to it for it to stack together. Okay, so and then I realized when I was learning this, right, when I try to pick up, what I realized is very hard for me to squeeze the cards, the chips in. You see, it keeps falling. But I realized, but if you learn this one technique, which is called, you just have to lift up your hands. Once you pry, you lift up. Take a look. I just have to make sure my fingers is in that position. I just lift up my hands. It automatically slides in. One, left, right, left, right, left, right. So the trick is, if you lift up your hand after picking up the one side of the chip and your fingers remain the same position, you just lift up, it will automatically slides in. Okay, see, I lift up, take a look. As you can see, it's very simple. Once I lift up, it stacks up. Okay, because I see some tutorial, they say, okay, you gotta lift up both sides so that it can stack together. But I realized I just have to lift up one side. Eventually, okay, see, this is a very bad example, right? But as you know, as time passes, the more you practice, the more fluent your hands is. It will be, so you will get better after quite some time. Okay, so look, I'm only using my middle finger to pick up one side. Okay, then after that I lift up my hand. Take a look, it's already stacked already. I just have to lift up. The rest, simple. Squeeze your fingers together. Once again, I lift up one side and then I lift up my hand. Take a look. Yeah, but of course when you lift up, your fingers must be in the same position. Okay, just make sure they support the chips, not to squeeze the chip yet. Okay, so see, once I lift up one side, I lift up. Look, it's already in this. It slide off just now. Then the next part is the simplest part of the trick. Okay, I break it into half. I lift up just one side. Look, it's already stacked. Okay, so the trick is to lift up one side and lift up your hand. Okay, that's the feeling that I felt when I was learning this trick. See, once it squeezed in, then it will fall in place. Okay, hope these tutorials help you guys on learning how to shuffle the poker chips. If any one of you has have a even easier way, feel free to write down in the comment and let me know. Thank you.